Arizona maintains some of the strictest DUI laws in the United States for an offender's first DUI conviction. Penalties only increase after a person has committed multiple DUI offenses, eventually having the potential to lead to a felony conviction. The criminal penalty for a second DUI, not classified as extreme, super extreme, or aggravated, will be considered a Class 1 misdemeanor and have to serve at least 90 days in jail, 30 of which must be served consecutively. Fines could also be charged up to $2,000. Where the DUI is alcohol and not drug-related, the driver will also have to install an ignition interlock device onto their car for at least 12 months. For a second extreme DUI, convicted drivers will serve at least 120 days in prison, 60 of which must be served consecutively, and pay fines of at least $3,250. Like a second standard DUI, there is also an ignition interlock device requirement. A second super extreme DUI will result in a minimum of 180 days in jail, 90 of which must be served consecutively, and fines of at least $3,750. Here, ignition interlock device will be required to be placed on the offender's vehicle for 18 months. A second aggravated DUI will be charged as Class 4 or 6 felony that could result in 3.75 years in prison. The offender may also face fines up to $4,000 and a 24-month ignition interlock device requirement. Penalties for a third DUI in Arizona. A third DUI within the past 7 years will automatically be charged as a Class 4 or 6 felony. When charged with a third DUI, a person should expect a minimum of 0.5 years to a maximum of 3.75 years in prison. Additional criminal penalties a person may be subject to are fines of at least $4,000, a 3-year revocation of their driver's license, and the installation of an ignition interlock device. The various penalties for a DUI charge in Arizona are highly dependent on the circumstances of the DUI and whether a person has a history of DUI convictions within the past 7 years. This complexity can make DUI charges incredibly difficult to navigate by oneself. If you have been charged with a DUI, whether it be the first, second, or third time, you should immediately contact a criminal law attorney familiar with Arizona DUI laws to help you defend your case. Call the Phoenix DUI Lawyer criminal law team at 602-900-9891 to get expert-level legal help with your case.